Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect on a CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text and type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in the word hey, and I'm just going to select this for now, but you can change the color of the outline if you'd like to. Maybe like this blue. And I'm going to make the thickness really small. I'm actually going to type in the word no instead, because why not? I'm just going to copy and paste that. And on the first text, I'm actually just going to delete the preset style, and I'm just going to make it this plain white color. Or I might do it the other way around actually and make this one blue and this outline just white. Okay, why is this still the other way? Hold on. Here we go. Oh, because I need to do it on the stroke one. Okay, right click the text on top, like the outline, and then select create compound clip. Then go to effects, type in ripple distortion and add it just on top of your outline. Go to blend mode and then select either screen or brighten. And then you can adjust the text effect here, like how twisty do you want this to be, and the size as well. And this is what it should look like. Super cute. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!